Hi, it's Chef Rick, and today I'm making a Bloody Mary. Right, one of the easiest cocktails in the world. First thing we're going to do is rim the glass using some celery salt. This is celery salt, which is a mixture of salt and celery, absolutely. In one small plate, put some water, not too much. The more you put, the wetter the glass is going to be around the rim, and the thicker the layer of celery salt is going to be. You don't want it to be that, you just want it to be lovely and just touching the edges so it looks pretty. There you go, that is a rimmed glass of celery salt. To that, first thing we're going to get some fresh lemon juice. We're going to chop a lemon in half and juice it. And I'm also going to use the other half that we didn't juice and just make a slice and chop that in half, and this is purely for decoration towards the end. Then it's going to add some flavour as well. Best way I do this, into a glass with ice. Going to add some tomato juice, that is just tomato juice, a double to triple measure of vodka, good quality vodka, the fresh lemon juice. You can use lime juice as well. In fact, you can substitute and change any of these ingredients. Worcester sauce, as much or as little as you like, that is purely to the customer's taste. Too little I think is completely pointless. That's Tabasco sauce for a bit of spice, and some cracked black pepper. If I wasn't salting the rim of the glass at this point, I would add salt as well, but that rim is super salty. Tomato juice on there, and then we give that glass a stir so everything's lovely and combined. Give it a little taste, see if it needs anything else. Again, this is completely adaptable recipe. In with a celery stick and your lemon slices, and that is a Bloody Mary. You sip it from each of the sides that's got the salt on there, the celery salt rim. It's one of the nicest drinks ever. You can have it first thing in the morning. Absolutely wonderful. I'm going to go and make one now. Thanks very much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next one.